morning, sir. I am Rajavi, School Assistant in Physical Science from JPHS Hyderbad, North University.
Good morning, all. My name is Venkatramana, School Assistant Bioscience, JPHS Telangan, Telangan.
నమస్కారం సార్, నా పేరు
K. Nursery, School of Physical Science, JPHS Bias College.
I'm Srinivasrao, Telangan District DSO. Thank you.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. మై నేమ్ ఇస్ ఎండి మహమూద్ సార్, స్కూల్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్, జేపీహెచ్ఎస్ Hyderbad.
అందరికి good morning, sir. Nandishwar, JPHS Hyderbad Physical Science.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు అశోక్ రెడ్డి, ఎస్ఏ బయో సైన్స్, జెడ్పీహెచ్ఎస్ వెల్దండ మండల్, నాగపల్లి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్.
నమస్తే సార్, నా పేరు సంతోష్ రెడ్డి, స్కూల్ ఆఫ్ బయో సైన్స్, జేపీహెచ్ఎస్ శ్రీపురం, నాగపల్లి డిస్ట్రిక్ట్.
Good morning, everybody. My name is J. Kakamaya, JPHS Kalakonda, Marble Mandal, Rangareddy District, SA Physical Science.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Kiran Kumar, JPHS Hyderbad, School of Bioscience, Hyderbad District.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం సార్. నా పేరు కృష్ణయ్య, JPHS Bias Energy, Hyderbad మండలం, నార్త్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్, సోషల్.
ఓకే సార్, అందరూ కూడా అందరి పరిచయాలు జరిగినాయి. తర్వాత మనం చేసేటటువంటి కార్యక్రమంలో స్పెషల్ పరిచయాలు మళ్ళీ చేసుకుందాం ఒక 3-4 months తర్వాత. నెక్స్ట్ ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో డిఎస్ఓ మన రంగా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ వారు శ్రీనివాసరావు గారు సార్ వేదికపైకి రావాల్సిందిగా సాధారణంగా వెల్కమ్ సార్. వెల్కమ్
మాట్లాడమని చెప్పండి.
రండి సార్, మీరు మాట్లాడేది ఒక నిమిషం. డయాస్ గారు పోకపోతే 2 మాటలు మాట్లాడుకోవాలి సార్, ప్లీజ్ సార్.
Good morning, everybody. Respective dignitaries on the dais, as well as the teachers who are participated from different districts, especially Mahamna district, Rangareddy, and Nagar Karnool. So this is a great opportunity for me to participate in this program. This opportunity given by Madam. It's a wonderful day for us, not only today, tomorrow also. The importance of CGR is nothing but it is linked with the soil, means nature. Already our DSOs have been given some important information to us. We have to make the children to connect to the soil, means earth, nature. Here is mainly some important resources are there. They are renewable, some are non-renewable. Renewable resources can be produced again and again, but non-renewable cannot be. Here is air, water, and soil are the natural resources. Forests also, if we make to deserve, they are also treated as natural resources. So that is why CGR selected soil, earth. This is a very important component for us because it is giving habitat to many organisms, as well as it is the landmark and also mother to the plants where we are implanting the plants on the soil. That is why, so plants are very important to protect our nature. They are giving oxygen to us, as well as everything will be provided by the forests. So based on this, we had to give the importance, and we had to say, we had to communicate, we had to transact the information to the children. That is why teachers are the mean to transfer this information to the children. So that is why I hope that the CGR is selected DSOs as well as teachers, because teachers are the very important persons. Because we are communicating every day, we are having link to the children. So children most probably in rural area are having touch with the agriculture field, but whereas in the urban they do not have idea. Even if you go to the urban area, they do not know what is the plant name, what they are giving, what is the importance also. So however it may be, the people who are living, they are living along with the nature in the rural area, but they don't know the importance. So we have to make to conserve the nature. We have to make to protect the nature. So nature protection is nothing but soil. We had to use only biofertilizers as possible as. That is nothing but in the classes also there in biological science. That is green manure, vermicompost, panchagavya. So many components are there. We have to give that kind of fertilizers to the soil. Then we have to make to get the organic compounds. Then we did not change the nature of the soil. That is why we have to protect the soil, not to get eroded. If the erosion took place means the soil nature will be changes. There is no question of fertility for the soil to the plants. That is why my humble request, all the teachers who are participating here, that is the motto of CGR also. From my side, from the Rangareddy district, we will make to try. We selected 10 schools already visited by the CGR group. We try to level best to give the information, to give the awareness to the children, because they are all the next generation to protect themselves. So that is why, so thank you this opportunity to indulge my views in front of you. I will make to protect, I will give the information to our children from our teachers from Rangareddy district. Thank you very much.